So in this video, I'll be showing you how to delete a user account from your Galaxy Tab S10 or S10 Ultra. So the first step when it comes to deleting a user account is to switch back to the administrator account or the owner account. So to do that, you can just access settings, scroll and select accounts and backup, and then choose users and tap on the owner account or the admin account. Alternatively, you can just swipe down for quick settings, look for the user icon or the accounts icon from there and tap on it and then choose the owner account. Once you've successfully switched back to the owner account, you're just going to go ahead and unlock your tablet. Then from here, you're going to navigate to settings. Under settings, you're going to scroll and select accounts and backup. Under accounts and backup, choose the option users. And then from here, you can see all the user accounts that you currently have on your tablet. So you're going to select the user account that you wish to delete. And then once you've selected it, you should see delete user. So tap on that once and then confirm that you wish to delete it. And now you'll notice that the user account is no longer listed, which means that you've successfully removed it from your tablet. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions or comments, leave them down below and we'll get back to you.